Have you ever wondered what the most expensive synthetic element is? Spoiler alert, it's not gold, it's not platinum, and it's not even californium. The answer is francium, a mind-blowing $1 billion per gram. But there's a catch. You'll never actually see a gram of francium. Let's dive into why this element is so rare, fascinating, and expensive. Francium, symbol Fr and atomic number 87, is one of the rarest elements in existence. It was discovered back in 1939 by Marguerite Perret in France, hence the name. It's part of the alkali metal group and sits just below cesium on the periodic table. But unlike other alkali metals, francium is so radioactive and unstable that its most stable isotope, francium-223, has a half-life of just 22 minutes. Francium is so rare that scientists estimate there's only about 1 ounce of it scattered throughout the Earth's crust at any given time. That's about the weight of a slice of bread. Most of the francium on Earth forms and decays continuously in uranium ores, making it almost impossible to collect in significant quantities. And if you somehow did, the heat from its radioactive decay would vaporize it instantly. So why does it cost $1 billion per gram? First, it's nearly impossible to gather enough francium in nature. Scientists have managed to produce francium in labs by bombarding other elements like thorium or radium with neutrons. But even then, they've only created clusters of a few 100,000 atoms. That's not even a speck of dust. Now, you might be wondering, if we can't collect francium, why do we care about it? Well, francium is scientifically fascinating. It's the second most electropositive element, meaning it's highly reactive, second only to cesium. It also helps researchers study atomic structures and the behavior of radioactive elements, even though its extreme instability limits practical applications. Francium was actually the last element discovered in nature rather than synthesized in a lab. Before its discovery, it was referred to as ecacesium, because scientists predicted its existence based on its position in the periodic table. Marguerite Perret confirmed its discovery in 1939 while analyzing uranium decay. Talk about a breakthrough moment. Francium might be the king of the periodic table in terms of price, but it's not the only element that leaves gold and diamonds in the dust. What if I told you there's another metal, one you can actually use, that comes with a jaw-dropping price tag and real-world applications? Yes, I'm talking about californium, the second most expensive metal in the world. It might not cost $1 billion per gram, but at $27 million per gram, it still leagues ahead of anything in your jewelry box. But what makes californium so special? Let's break it down. Unlike gold or diamonds, which are mined from the Earth, californium is entirely man-made. It's produced in nuclear reactors through a painstaking process. First, scientists expose an element called curium to intense radiation for anywhere from 8 months to a year and a half. Once that's done, the californium is chemically separated from the curium, a process that requires highly skilled professionals and cutting-edge equipment. With such limited production, it's no wonder this metal carries such an astronomical price tag. So, what's all this effort for? Why would anyone go to such lengths to produce a metal so rare and expensive? Well, californium isn't just a science experiment. It has real-world applications that are nothing short of extraordinary. First up, medicine. Californium-252, a radioactive form of the metal, is a game-changer in cancer treatment. It's used in neutron therapy to target and destroy cancer cells, often while sparing healthy tissue. Talk about a lifesaver. But it's not just about saving lives. Californium is a critical tool in industry as well. Its neutron-emitting properties are used in neutron radiography, a technique to inspect the quality of materials without destroying them. Think of it like an X-ray for industrial parts, helping identify flaws in things like welds or components. Californium also plays a vital role in nuclear energy. It's used to kickstart reactors and help create new isotopes for scientific research. And if that's not impressive enough, its sensitivity to detecting substances makes it invaluable in safety applications like explosive and drug detection. But there's another side to the story. Californium isn't just rare, it's also highly regulated. Why? Because of its potential for misuse. During the 2023 conflict in Ukraine, reports emerged about californium's possible use in dirty bombs, which highlighted the element's strategic importance and the need for strict controls. Californium's radioactive properties make it both a valuable tool and a potential threat, depending on whose hands it's in. Let's circle back to its cost. At $27 million per gram, why is it so expensive? Besides its rarity and complex production process, handling and storing this metal require incredible expertise and resources. We're talking specialized labs, protective equipment, and strict safety protocols. Every step of the process adds to the cost. So, there you have it. Californium, the metal that redefines the meaning of precious. From revolutionizing cancer treatment to powering nuclear reactors, it's clear that this is more than just a metal. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the lengths we'll go to push the boundaries of science. What do you think? Could you ever imagine something more valuable than gold or diamonds? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.